Hi, Internet! I am prepping this block to be purple. I'll show you right here. Sparkly. I don't know how well it's gonna work, but we're gonna try it because this is the only purple engine, high heat engine paint. It's not technically an engine enamel, but it's high enough heat to put on the engine, so I'm gonna try it. Lane doesn't know I'm trying it out because we're waiting for that other one to see if we can get our friend from the States to find it for us, but I'm gonna give it a shot. Oh yeah, check that out. I got a couple more coats to do, but so sick. I haven't told Lane that I tried it out yet, so he gonna be surprised probably tomorrow or maybe later tonight, but oh, I'm busted. New hotness.
Alright, so I'm here at the shop. Come in early this morning. Nick had some stuff he had to pick up. There's a couple guys coming down to use the shop, so I'm here to open up. Nick told me to turn on the camera before you turn the lights on. So the lights aren't even on yet. Apparently some sort of friggin' surprise here for me. So I'll turn on one light. Oh, sick! He found it. Oh, what? Oh, shit! That looks fucking dope. Excuse my language, but that looks absolutely unreal. Oh man, that's sweet.
Got more stuff.
We got exhaust pieces.
We are trying to ponder out how to put two 45s together to Y off the headers to make some pretty hot side. One, make it one. Yeah, that's what we want, but nice and pretty. Here. Lyles. Sponsor us.
They gave us stickers?
Oh, stickers? Oh, a couple stickers.
Nice.
Oh, piss. No, it's still doing stuff. Oh, Lyles. Canadian.
Mandrel bins.
What, 4 days? 5 days?
5 day shipping.
From basically the east to the west. And there's some pretty bins and all that, so very happy.
No, I didn't last night. Nobody's gonna know.
No one's gonna know. That got a 10,000 views.
I tried taking it because I need practice.
How was your penetration? Oh, it looks good, dude.
Yeah, it
I
wasn't.
know you're
actually
not gonna
that
be able
bad.
to see camera,
I was
but
just like, I'm so shaky still, especially like trying to weld.
at a
I think if
funny angle.
once we get like a better bench and I can like prop myself up and kind of.
It's not. You're not working up here.
Yeah, but it's good enough. It lines up
Really well.
well. Like with this,
Yeah,
it's like we go up perfect in half, pretty much.
you did a good job. Did you see the-
I gotta trim this for fitment because it hangs down a little lower on one than the other, but.
Yeah, that's okay. And then
And then on here, we need to make little extensions. It's not quite
long enough. Oh, okay.
long enough. One done.
Had to shorten it up to fit. Have room for the radiator. Because they were our curve was going to be damn near into here, and we want it to be right there. Oh yeah, that's way better. Did we explain why we went with this size?
Because 2.5 is overboard for a 5.3. 2.25 should get us to our power goals, no problem. And then one day when we upgrade to 2.5, we'll do it with all stainless.
Yeah.
Fancy setup. When this engine goes fancy, the exhaust system will go fancy.
And we'll make sure it's big enough to do 3-inch straight across.
Yeah. For right now, we're just kind of making sure that we can make this all work.
Yeah. Yeah. Content.
I don't think the SFI. Don't MIG weld your stainless steel headers.
And we had to shorten them up, what, almost 3 inches?
Yeah, we hacked 3. They're not super even. Like the pipes on this header are longer than on this header. So this one looks longer, but they're not actually.
Yeah, they're better. They're more even than they were
Yeah.
from when we bought them, but we had to bring them in damn near that much.
And I don't have a second rate. Well, I don't have a setup to back purge, so can't really take these. So the welds might rust, and it's not perfect, but I'm too impatient. So
We're behind.
it's getting what it gets. It's gonna like it.
You're going to like it. Where are you going? Nowhere. Nowhere.
And how short are we gonna have to chop it? 90 to get it. I think we're pretty much gonna have to chop it
Yeah.
right at the cut. Because we wanted it tucked as
Close to the frame as possible.
close to the frame as possible.
That would work.
Like cut it like right.
And then just up instead of using the 90.
But it would bring us.
Right
Under
there.
there,
And then just put a straight piece in. If we even have to. Oh. Stranger danger. Yeah.
Yeah, if we cut it.
You want a marker? We mark it up actually.
Well, I was trying to just trying to envision what our work best here. Like, do we do that?
It's hard to say without knowing for sure.
Like right there. Right there. Do you want to mark it?
Yeah. 2 seconds. You good?
Yeah. Right on the floor.
Hey, Mark.
Thanks. Picture mark.
You can see this where it's going to come up. Now we're just changing our angle from here for up into the turbo. Exhaust housing is going to be about right here, so we're changing the angles up into here and up into it. Should be damn near done the hot side here. Not finished welded, but mocked here in a minute. So keep you updated. Oh, we just had some Costco poutine and hot dogs. So good, so full, so unbelievably full.
full. Too full.
Too full. And I was just talking shit to the camera without actually talking shit. We're trying to
Oh, boy. Fuck that up, didn't I?
make this we're adding a piece so that it fits in the T4 flange,
Yeah, we're adding a piece
so it's not such a big
so we don't have to stretch it out so much.
yeah. Also, look how much better Lane looks now that I turned ProTune off of this GoPro. I had it turned off and it looked better than this, and I don't know, but we fixed it, so Lane looks much better.
Okay, I think we can work with that.
Hello, Ford Ranger.
Good. Oh. Hot side's done.
Look. Oh shit! Look at that unit. Oh yeah. This is a relief to have done. Want me to spin it for you?
Piece that's missing for hot side is our wastegate. So we're gonna have the wastegate probably come off.
Oh, here. Get some light.
Something like that would be perfect.
And then, yeah, because I don't know if we talked about it on camera, but we are going to run the exhaust here, down, and build an actual, at least to the back
So
of
we're
the
gonna
cab.
have it's not gonna be like that all the time. What we're gonna do is we're gonna have a pipe that comes off the back side of the turbine, up, down, and then we're gonna have it kind of come follow the body panel as much as we can. And then we're gonna have it so we can have like a bullhorn on it,
Well, on the V-band.
on a V-band, or we'll have a V-band that we hook on and runs a pipe back to here with a muffler hidden up under here.
Yeah.
So when we're driving, we have, like, if we make it Rocky Mountain Race Week, we can put a muffler on it, so we're not just listening to bah! for 8 hours a day kind of thing, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, we'll do that, and then we're gonna do this. I'm thinking we'll mount this right here,
Oh, this died. I don't know. Yeah, right there.
and then we'll have this pipe come up and kind of follow our exhaust,
And go back
and
down.
then come out.
Oh, up out the hood, right.
We're gonna have the wastegate come out the hood, so when we're two-stepping or something like this.
You get good videos.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's today. Today's a good day.
That's our hot side done.
We officially have a turbo kit mostly built. That means once we get that done, we got to get an intercooler,
Yeah.
because we can mock with this engine before that's done too. I wonder how many days out is that intercooler. That don't matter. You don't
Probably
give a
have
shit.
one in stock. Hot side done. Woo!
Yes, turkey.
That's our hot side's all done, mocked up. We got to add a wastegate into it still, but we'll kind of do that when we get closer to, or probably do that when we actually build the rest of our exhaust out, because then we'll run that pipe out the same way. So yeah, hot side's done. That's it for that. Oh, and we got to brace the turbo yet, because it's kind of wobbly down in there. But yeah, thanks for, next time we're probably gonna start putting the cage in this bad boy. So thanks for watching, like, follow, subscribe, all that fun stuff. Risky habits, drive fast, take chances.